Hey guys, if you can't download any applications on your iPhone, in this video I have a solution for you. So just follow the steps that I do and I'm sure your problem will be sorted out. So the first thing that you need to do if you are trying to download any app on your phone and if it's not getting downloaded on your phone, so the first thing that you have to do is you have to go here to settings and then you have to go here to your profile. And here you can see sign out option. You can click sign out and then you have to sign in again. So after signing out and then signing in back, we'll sort this issue out. And then when you'll download any app, it will be easily downloaded on your iPhone. However, if the issue is still there, even after signing out and then logging back in, then what you have to do, you have to go back here to screen time. And then you have to go here to content and privacy restrictions. And here, what you have to do is you have to click on allowed app and make sure that all these apps are allowed. So the next thing that you have to do is you have to go here to content restrictions. And once when you're here, you have to go here to apps. And here you have to click allow all. Make sure that you have clicked allow all. And once you have clicked it, you'll be good to go. You can then download the apps on your phone. If the problem is still there, what you need to do, you have to go here to App Store. And once when you go here to App Store, you have to go here and you have to click always allow. This will sort your problem out. This will definitely sort your problem out. However, if the problem is still there, then what you can do, you can put your phone on airplane mode and make sure that the internet connection is off and everything is off. And then after like 5 to 10 seconds, you can just click it back in and then turn your internet back on. So this is definitely going to help it out. This is going to sort your issues out if you can't download any app on your iPhone. However, if the issue is still there, even after trying all these things, the last thing that you can do is you can restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone will sort your issue out and you'll be good to go. So I hope this video was helpful. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel for more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.